In recent years, we have seen container adoption continue to grow as more and more organizations look to transition away from virtual machines to microservice-based architectures. Increased efficiency, portability, and scalability are just a few of the reasons why DevOps engineers love to work with containers and have made platforms like Docker and Kubernetes some of the most widely adopted technologies today. Containers provide an additional layer of security over virtual machines by isolating applications. However, this does not mean that your containerized environment is not susceptible to malicious attacks between containers or the shared resources of the underlying host. Alert Logic has developed an agent container that is designed to be deployed in containerized workloads in AWS. The agent container provides support for Docker deployments as well as deployments that use Kubernetes and Amazon's Elastic Container Service. Let's look at how Alert Logic Threat Manager analyzes container network traffic coming from the agent container and creates a security incident against a network-based threat found running against one of our ECS containers. Here we have an incident that was generated based on an attacker launching a Vega vulnerability scan against one of our containers. This is a common tool used by opportunistic attackers looking for security weaknesses in applications. From this view, you can click on the incident to load the preview, which gives you a quick summary of the high-level details. For deeper insights, click on Open to get the full incident detail, including incident investigation, recommended remediations, and supporting evidence. The topology view provides a visual representation of your deployment from the region down to individual assets. The red coloring indicates which assets are impacted by this incident. In this case, my EC2 container instance in one of my containers. I can click on the asset to get metadata information on that asset, including details like name, VPC, subnet, instance ID, as well as tags and relationships of that asset. The attack summary provides attack details, context, and links to supporting reference material. Recommendations provide a recommended course of action in order to mitigate the security issue. In this case, Threat Manager has outlined a number of corrective actions that include the setting of access restrictions on public interfaces, that security patches are brought up to date, and because my containers are sitting behind a load balancer, it has made some recommendations for proxy configuration changes. Evidence provides an audit log and timeline of the evidence supporting the incident. It is here that SOC analysts can direct users to any specific piece of evidence of interest related to the investigation report. Here, users get a bidirectional view of requests and responses related to the incident. Full payloads can be visible in either hex or ASCII format. And because this is a true network IDS solution, packet capture files are available for download for further analysis. If you're just getting started with Docker, Kubernetes, or Amazon's Elastic Container Service, I invite you to head over to alertlogic.com and download the free Container Best Practices Guide.